Punkers, it's me, your friendly neighbourhood foodie, Food Punk. Sorry that it's been such a long time since I've done a video, but today I'm in Camden and I'm going to be checking out a really cool place called Mama's Jerk and hopefully bring some of that Caribbean sunshine to this wet and rainy day in London. Let's go! How long have you been working here for?
Well, I've been working for Mama's Jerk for about 4.5 years now.
Okay.
Yeah. So I started off in Camden.
Yeah.
Then we moved around basically.
It's got bigger, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has. So we do wireless, V Festival.
Oh, you do festivals as well?
Yeah,
cool.
V Festival, weddings, private.
You did Glastonbury this year. So I'm going to Glastonbury.
Nah, we haven't got a chance to.
Because there was a jerk place in Glastonbury. Did we try that out, Alex?
Yeah, I think so.
We did. But,
they're pretty good.
Yeah, I don't know who they were. I can't remember.
Yeah.
But so I've asked these guys, like, what makes Mama's Jerk the best? Because everyone says it is the best. You've had loads of reviews from Evening Standard. Obviously from me, I found out this morning, right, that one of my articles was reviews it. Yeah, I'm like, yeah, sweet.
I mean,
what makes it the best?
The secret recipe.
But no one, yeah, the secret.
sauce.
You can't.
I can't tell you what's inside. I'll tell you one thing.
Okay.
Scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet.
Yeah.
But that's
what makes it
not
spicy.
standard for any jerk sauce, no?
Not really. Other people
Okay.
then use barbecue sauce.
Right, okay.
And that's it.
That's a bit boring.
It's a bit boring.
Yeah.
But our one really, that Scotch bonnet, that gives you the flavour.
And you've had like celebrities, you've had like Idris Elba, right?
Yeah.
And you say, oh,
Yeah.
And were you there when they came?
I wasn't there, unfortunately.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's big. And they loved it.
They loved it, yeah.
That's cool.
I mean, it's been alright for us.
Well, yeah, more than alright if you've got them guys coming.
Yeah.
They're a big deal. So this is the chicken wrap.
That's some chicken wrap.
Yeah.
What we do for a mango.
Okay.
Gives it a sweet flavour.
Oh, cool.
Just put a little bit on as well. There you go.
So that's filled to the brim as well.
Yeah.
That looks banging.
Yeah. Here we have our chicken wrap.
Oven. You've got your own hot smoke oven.
Yeah, we've got an oven in the kitchen in Burn.
I need to see that.
Yeah, you should pop down and see it.
Because I heard about the bento woods that you.
Yeah, we put pimento wood inside and coal.
Yeah.
That's what we used to cook the chicken.
Ah.
You should pop down one day.
What's up, Food Punkers? I've got my food from Mama's Jerk here. Mind the mess. I've got quarter chicken with rice and peas. I've got plantain. I've got veggie bean burgers, sweet potato fries and chicken wings. I tell you what, it's bloody gorgeous. So guys, that's me for the time being. My mouth is on fire, but thank you to Adrian and his crew for being so hospitable. I've had a fantastic time, Mama's Jerk.
Food Park recommends Mama's Jerk. I recommend Mama's Jerk. She recommends Mama's Jerk. Everyone in Camden recommends Mama's Jerk.
And they're at Brixton, and where else? Dalston as
We're
well.
in Brixton, Dalston,
And Lewisham.
Lewisham
in the summer.
summertime.
So yeah, check out Mama's Jerk, the best jerk place.